Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you want better insights into how you actually spend your money? Well, Clio lets you adjust spending categories for maximum clarity, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize spending categories in Clio. The first step, of course, is going to be to head to the budget tab. So from the dashboard, you want to tap into your budgeting section. And then step 2 is to review your transactions. So now just go ahead and look at Clio's auto-categorized spendings like, food, shopping, bills, etc. Step 3, tap on a transaction to edit. Now, if a transaction looks misplaced, all you got to do is select it and edit its category. Step 4, assign a new category. Now you just choose from existing categories or you can create your own custom labels. Step 5, save changes. Now your budget and spending insight will now be more accurate. Custom categories equals better budget. Clear adapts to how you live, not the other way around. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.